Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the Chaingpt. It's easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Link in the description of the video. So guys, once you're on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the contract address for the token. Once the contract address for this token has been copied, head over to the market section to find where it's being traded. And as you can see, the token is being traded on a decentralized exchange and a centralized exchange, being PancakeSwap for decentralized and KuCoin for decentralized. So I'll be showing you how to get the token on both of these exchanges. So for the centralized exchange, open up your KuCoin application. Once KuCoin has been opened up, make sure you set up your account. And if you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts. So guys, you've registered, you've verified your account on KuCoin. How can you buy the Chaingpt? Where we have the deposit icon, click on deposit. And once you select the deposit, select any cryptocurrency that can be converted into the USDT, like the Matic, BNB, Solana, Tron, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other tokens that can be easily converted into USDT. And if you have fiat currency on your account that you would wish to drop into KuCoin, based on your region, select the fiat currency that applies to you, deposit the fiat currency, and then convert it into cryptocurrency. So guys, once you've gotten to your cryptocurrency on KuCoin, head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, reload, and you'd find your cryptocurrency on the overview. Scroll from there to the funding or trading, depending on where your crypto is stored. From there, head over to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen where we have IOS USDT. Click on IOS USDT and simply search for CGPT. That's the Chaingpt. Select Chaingpt, enter the amount you wish to buy, select your trading pattern to the market option. By selecting market, you get to buy at the current price of the market. So now all you need to do is enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy the token for and click on buy CGPT, and you place the order, and then once the order is completed, you'd find the Chaingpt token on your wallet in the funding or in the trading section. So guys, that's how you can get the token on a centralized exchange. For the decentralized exchange, open up your Trust wallet. Remember, we copied the BNB Smart Chain address, so make sure you have some Smart Chain BNB, which is this Smart Chain BNB on your wallet. If you do not, click on the buy option and simply buy some of the crypto using your bank transfer or Cash App. So once you've purchased the token on your wallet, the next option is to head over to the browser section. Once there, simply locate the PancakeSwap exchange. And once you've selected PancakeSwap, make sure your wallet is connected to the platform. If your wallet is not connected to the platform, simply connect your wallet. And once that's done, make sure you have some BNB on your wallet. And where we have IOS, click on the IOS drop down and paste the contract address for the Chaingpt. Select Chaingpt, enter an amount of tokens you wish to buy the Chaingpt for, and once you've entered an amount, set the slippage tolerance between 1% to 5%. Once that's done, simply click on the swap option, click on confirm swap, and easily approve of the transaction by clicking on approve. So simply click on the approve option, enter your passcode, and once the passcode is submitted, click on add GPT to your wallet, click on OK. Once it's done, close the website and head to the home section. Perform a simple reload and you'd find the Chaingpt token on your wallet. When you simply scroll down, you find the Chaingpt on your wallet. As you can see here, we have some Chaingpt on our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.